Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are best in health at home. Open your grammar composition page number 164 and it is 23 April task. We will do exercise, verb exercises, present tense, present indefinite, video number part 13, part B. Uh, okay, this is present indefinite. Present indefinite tense is always used to express your statement and to describe your acts that are you are habitual or on usual. On daily basis you are practicing how you do exercise daily. You take bath, mother cooks food, you comes to school, you go to school, and you come to school, you go to school. On daily basis what you are practicing, on daily basis what is your habit, what's your likeness or dislike. I don't like to eat mango, I like apple, I like apple. These are your habits. It indicates your habits, and we will always for sentence make we use for subject. Subject is the agent of a sentence, doer of a sentence. First verb, a first verb is an action, and object whom work is applied. And for example, Aslam buys new shoes on Eid. Aslam buys new shoes. Object action is transformed on new shoes. This it would be your object. Aslam beats Amjad, and action is transformed to Amjad. So object Amjad is object. Aslam is subject. Who is doing work? Amjad. Aslam is doing work, and Amjad is object whom work is applied. Subject, first verb, and object. This is the main sentence formation of present indefinite tense. Please open your page number 164, grammar composition. We will do exercise present indefinite and present continuous. What is present continuous? Going on. What's going on right now? Present continuous tense describes an action that is taking place at the time of speaking. You are listening, I am teaching, and you are reading, you are studying. What's happening right now? It is raining right outside, and the girls are playing netball. The boys are doing their home task. Father is reading newspaper. These are the example of present continuous. By the help of is, rm, auxiliary verb, first verb plus ing and object. Subject comes first. Is, rm, first verb plus ing and object. This is sentence making of present continuous tense. Now let's start exercise, and you should identify what is on daily basis practice. On daily basis practice would be your present definite, and what's happening right now, it would be your present continuous tense. She love her cat very much. With single subject we will use add s or es with first verb. She loves her cat very much. He go to school every day. Again you have single subject goes, es you will add. He goes to school every day. Okay, it is raining at present. It is raining at present. फिलहाल बारिश हो रही है. It is raining at present. It means right now happening. What's happening right now? Raining. It is raining at present. They take tea every morning. What's their habit? They take tea every morning. This is plural subject, so no need to add s or es here. Okay, good students always work hard. Again you have plural subject. Good students, more than one subject is called your plural subject. Good students always work hard. It remains same because this is habit of good students. The earth revolves around the sun. Revolves. Earth is single subject, so we need to add s. Around the sun. She is learning French at present. At present, what's happening right now? She is learning French at present. They do not do their work regularly. Again, if you will notice this, regularly mean on daily basis. On daily basis, what's happening? It would become your present indefinite. They do not do their work regularly. For negative subject, you will use do or does. Do for plural subject, and does for singular subject. Shahida is singing a sad song today. What's happening right now? Shahida is singing a sad song today. They always come back home late. They always, it is their habit. So we need to add only first verb. We use first verb. She she is speaking English now. She is speaking. What's happening right now? Again, present continuous tense. She speaks English quite well. Right now, this is habit. She speaks English quite well. The baby is crying for milk now. Again, what's happening right now? This is present continuous. The baby is crying for milk. Now, they go to sleep at 10. What's their habit? They go to sleep at 10. It's their routine. He does not keep me waiting. He does not keep me waiting. Okay, present continuous is always used to announce a future event which is already arranged. She is leaving for London tomorrow. He is coming back next week. They are coming to dinner on Sunday. These are the future event which is already arranged. Arranged future event you will use is RM first verb plus ing. And these are the verbs you no need to use in the continuous tense. How? See, hear, smell, taste, not tasting, notice, recognize, remember, recollect, forget, know, understand, believe, feel, think, suppose, mean, gather, want, wish, desire, refuse, forgive, care, matter, own, love, hate, dislike, seem, appear, possess, consist of. These are the verbs no need to use in a present continuous tense. Okay, let's start present perfect tense. Please open page number 165. Come to page number 165. What is present perfect tense? Perfect tense means work is done. Recently work is done. How? You will use subject, has, have, and third verb and object. Past participle you may say third verb. Okay, present perfect tense is used to indicate an action that is completed by a given time or to connect a completed action with the present. I have read the 2 books. She has not sent him back. They have lived in this house for 10 years. Sorry, now they have lived in this year. They have lived in this year. Present perfect continuous tense, you will use subject, has been, have been, first verb plus ing, object, since or for, or again time or time period. How? Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used to indicate an action that began in the past and is still continuing. The end is still continuing. How? She has been playing the piano since 2 o'clock. Since 2 o'clock. I have been waiting here for 2 hours. The packet has been lying there since morning. I have been living in this house for 10 years. These are the examples of present perfect continuous. It means some portion has been done and some work is in process or going on. Perfect and perfect continuous tense, these are. We will do exercise. I already you will use present perfect tense. I already have taken 3 cups of coffee. I already have taken 3 cups of coffee. You have not seen you since I have not seen you since Monday. My brother has not been writing to me for 10 years. She has been learning French for over 2 years. For exact timing, you will use since. For time period, you will use for. How? 2 years, for 2 years, for 3 years, for 2 hours, for 2 days, you are using for. And since morning, since 2011, since 2020, since January, since March, since Monday, since Tuesday, since 7 o'clock, you are using exact timing. The book has been lying on the table for weeks. He has not speaking to me since March. She has been sleeping since morning. How long you have waited here? He has he has stood in the sun for an hour. He has been standing in the sun for an hour. She has been working in this office for 7 years. They have not they have not been eating anything since morning. They have already done their home task. Already you will use past present perfect. I already have posted the letter. The fire has burnt at night. You have been taking rest since morning. Now you have done this exercise present perfect tense, and this is task of your April 23. Now we will do exercise, next exercise, past indefinite in next video.